Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how you can combine movements to just play and build strength. You can build a lot of strength through playing around and being curious about all the different ways you can move. And so one thing I like to do is combine rolling with just other movements, like say push-ups. I'll just show you an example. We'll do the elevated roll and a push-up together. So an elevated roll, you start out in the push-up position, and you do the roll, and then as you come back, you just do a push-up and push yourself back up. And you can work this from side to side. And that's one way to play around with just combining movements. I'll give you another one that's kind of fun. You can combine the, I want to say kind of fun. I mean, it's pretty fun, and you discover some cool things about your body. But we can combine the frog roll with the elevated roll. So for the frog roll, you just touch the same side limbs together, bridge yourself up, come back from reaching, and then work the other side. And if you wanted to, you could get crazy and just combine a bunch of things and really just see all the different ways you can move. But that's our tip. If you just spend time on the ground just playing around and taking movements you like and seeing if you can combine them with other movements you like, you'll probably discover some really cool things. And again, you can play with speed, you can do it super slow motion, you can do it fast. But you just want to explore how you can move. The thing about combining rolls with other movements is, man, it just feels good. And I'm a fan of feeling it. So that's our simple tip this week. If anything, play with combining your elevated roll with a push-up, play with combining your frog roll with an elevated roll, or frog roll with a push-up, or rocking with a push-up. That's really where the OS push-up came from, was just combining rocking and doing push-ups. So that's our tip this week. Play around, see if you can combine the movements you like to do. And if you come up with something cool, some of you already do send in some ideas. If you come up with something cool, let us know about it. If we like it, maybe we'll make a video. The truth is, if I like it, I'll make a video, and I'll even call you out and say, hey, Johnny showed me how to do this. All right, Johnny, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, don't go just yet. If you care, could you give us a share? We're trying to grow our reach and expand our network. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.